Today I have some solar lights to show you. I got a 4-pack, but I believe it also comes in a 2-pack. There's 30 LED solar lights. Here's one of them. I've already been using these outside, so there is a little bit of dust on here and stuff because I pulled one out from the yard just to give you a close-up look at it. Now, you can adjust it. If you look at this, this is like a ground stake. You can adjust it to different levels, so you can have it shoot up and down, and depending on whether the ground that you put it in is flat or not, and where you want it to point toward, will be the factor on what level you put it at. Now, you can also mount it on things like fences and the side of your house. If you choose to do that, it does come with some screws. And then a lot of people would say, like, if you do it like that on the side of your house, then it shoots downward. And I like that it's very easy to adjust the spot where it goes to point toward. I have decided to use the stakes. That's the easiest. And anytime I want to move it or adjust it, it's easy when it's already in the ground, as opposed to something where I have to climb up on the house on a ladder to do it. Here's the front of it. And let's get a little close up of that. This is the motion sensor part of it. And these are the lights. Let's see if I can cover this up. If I turn it upside down, then that should. Okay, here we go. I have this set on, there's 3 different modes. You can have a low light, like that's on all the time. You have a medium that's on all the time, or this one, which is the bright motion sensor. I believe it stays on for about 30 seconds once it is set off. So it's enough time to do what it needs to do, but not so long that it's going to drain the battery. My opinion is this is the best mode to have it in, because that way if you have activity as soon as it gets dark, or you have activity way into the night, when it's on the motion sensor part, it's always going to be coming on really bright. I use this for several things. I use it for security. I have it by like windows and things like that. So if any activity by any of my windows at night, it'll go off. I also have it outside by my shed because I go to the shed a lot. I use it as an additional area for pantry and stuff. So it lights up the area for me, so it's easy for me to see when I'm coming and going. This is super bright. Let me see if I'll turn this light down. And there it goes again. It's really hard to tell now. I'm going to wait until it gets dark, and then I'll take the camera outside, and then you can see. I've been using this for at least 2-3 weeks, and I'm very, very happy with these lights. Super bright. They go on when they need to, and even coming out in late into the night, they'll still turn on. I'm going to wait till it gets dark. I'll go outside with the camera, and we'll get a chance to see how bright they are at night. I'm going to test the lights, and I have one outside here. So as soon as there's movement on the porch, it goes off. Nice and bright, and it illuminates the porch area perfectly. The other one has just clicked on. That's over by my shed. I have another one that's going to click on here. So I have it going from here down to there. So this whole area is lit up. Whenever I want to go to the shed, I can see really easily. And then the one over here is meant so that when I'm walking up the stairs, here, stairs again, and it clicks on, so that now the stairs are lit up so that I can see. And then the other one is meant for the rear window as well as the stairs. So when you see here, there's activity because I'm right at the stairs. It goes on, And also, if anybody comes up to this window, the light will go off. So this is extremely bright. And it lights up the area. It stays on for about 30 seconds. And then it'll turn off unless there's movement in front of it again. So that's the lights. Well, that's it for my review today. And thank you very much for watching. Bye.
If you like this video, feel free to hit subscribe and let me know your thoughts in the comments. Bye.